Wingamm is an Italian manufacturer that has been making these very unique motorhomes in Europe for over 40 years, and we are so excited. We are just launching in the US for the US consumer right now.
Quite regularly, we are asked when we will start to see European RVs sold in the U.S. Unfortunately, that has not happened.
But that is about to change. They're taking orders on this RV made in Italy now.
How big is this? It looks pretty compact.
It is extremely compact. So just to give you a comparison, this is only 10 inches longer than a Honda Odyssey minivan. Or it is 17 feet 9 inches long, and a standard parking space in the US is 19 feet. So it is only 15 inches shorter, or it's 15 inches shorter than a standard parking space. So you can navigate through traffic, park easily, or as I like to say, fit in your driveway beautifully.
How about inside, sleeping, and what kind of, how is it equipped?
So there are actually 2 beds. So you can sleep, I think, 2 adults and 2 children, or 3 adults very comfortably. And the way that you're able to have 2 beds in such a compact motorhome is what Wingamm's sort of special sauce is, which is their custom fiberglass monocoque shell. So if you notice this very distinct look, what Wingamm does that's different from every other manufacturer is where every other manufacturer takes an existing cargo van, like a Ram ProMaster or a Ford Transit or a Mercedes Sprinter, and builds the best RV they can inside that existing cargo van. What Wingamm does is they take a chassis and then they take this custom fiberglass shell and they attach the shell to the chassis, and that opens up to a tremendous amount of innovation. And for starters, it's by putting the bed in the ceiling. So by having the bed in the ceiling and not on the floor, it opens up all your floor plan space to have a much larger kitchen, a much larger bathroom, and a dining room that seats 6. Should we take a look?
Let's take a look.
All right, let's take a look.
Now the chassis and the engine are from, who makes the chassis?
It's going to be, the US model will be on a Ram ProMaster chassis.
Okay.
You know what? Before we go inside, I want to show you something that's special.
All right.
So here is our sewage system. This is our cassette. What I love about this, unlike other cassettes that are all accessed from the inside of your motorhome, I mean, who wants to pull your sewage out on the inside of the motorhome? Here, it's accessed on the outside. It's like a carry-on suitcase. The handle retracts, pull it out, just wheel it into any toilet in America, any gas station. Or I say, hey, just pull into a Ritz-Carlton and empty it in their,
there you go.
in their lobby bathroom. And what's super cool here is you have this huge storage locker in the back bumper area. So, one, you can put your chairs, your folding table in there, and you can also put 1 or 2 extra cassettes in there. So if you don't want to deal with emptying out your sewage, you just take your full cassette and swap it out with an empty one and then deal with it when you get home.
Yeah. So let's go inside.
Okay. And so one of the very distinct things that you'll notice, unlike all the other Class B motorhomes that have the sliding door, which is clunky, it's annoying, this has this very elegant and sophisticated formal front entry door that opens and you walk right in.
Wow. How big is this again? This is 15 feet?
This is 17 feet 9 inches long. So it is the smallest Class B motorhome in the world to have a full bathroom.
Let's see this bathroom.
You have a full vanity and sink, medicine cabinet, and a standing shower. And I love this curtain that comes all the way around, so when you're showering you don't get your vanity or your toilet wet. And there's 2 windows to vent as well. And then I think this is just something that is so amazing. So if we switch places,
we're switching places.
Inside this micro RV is a dining room that comfortably seats 6 people.
2 up front.
So you have 2 here, 4 there. You want to see something that's really cool is take the table, turn it around,
and I've
get
got
your
my
laptop
office
up, and then the TV that goes right there. Watch TV, works from your laptop.
Wow. Smart.
And this comes back around. And so I will show you the second bed goes here. So the second bed, there's a cushion that goes on top of this, and then these cushions all come off. And this comfortably sleeps 2 children or 1 adult.
Now you said something about a ceiling bed.
You're way ahead of me.
But
Well, I'm on it. Let me show you.
Wait,
Ready?
But wait, look, I'm looking. I'm just looking at the ceiling.
Are you ready for this bed? The drop down, the Wingamm famous drop down bed.
Oh, my goodness.
Voila!
Look at that.
And then you have a little step ladder. Goes right. Whoop! Have that wrong way.
So the kids are below you. 2 people sleep here.
2 adults.
2 can sleep there.
Yep.
Wow. How easy is it to put back up?
Let's take a look. How'd that look for easy?
Oh my goodness. And look at all the stories.
Yep.
Love the catches. Very nice hardware. Why can't we do this in America?
We're
Look at
here
this.
now. We're in
Look
America.
at this. Well, that's my big question too.
Yes.
How do you get one of these, and what do they sell for?
So we are formally taking reservations right now. Delivery of the Wingamm OASI 540s are going to begin in the summer of 2022.
So this year?
This year?
6 months from now.
6 months from now they begin. And the price is $145,000. And that is pretty much a fully loaded OASI 540, which includes air conditioning and heat, like you see in the ceiling here. Radiant heat in the floor. Isn't that amazing? Radiant heat in the floor. Yeah, radiant heat in the floor. Leather. And just as you see it here.
Is it equipped with any solar, or can it be equipped with solar?
Solar comes standard. A 210-watt solar panel on the roof is standard.
Well, this is awesome. So to get more information, the website?
www.wingamm.com.
All right. This thing is really cool.
It sure is. I love the hardware, the cabinets, the material that they're made out of. It is cool.
Yeah, they do make RVs a lot different in Europe, and there's a lot to like about them. They say still this thing will be available come fall in the U.S. It's going to be interesting to see. Hey, thanks for watching. We're Mike and Jennifer Wendland. Please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the RV Lifestyle channel on YouTube and click the bell icon. Then you'll be notified when new videos are online.
Happy trails.